What are the more advanced things that AI can do for business owners that you've had experience with yourself?
Well, one of the craziest thing that I did recently, or especially with this company, is have it write articles at scale. So one of the hustles that I had before was a writing company that helps other businesses write SEO articles so that they
Right.
can rank on Google and all that stuff. So back then, I was charging around $100 per piece, and it takes my team, my writers, and all that about a week to produce one piece of writing.
Wow.
So roughly $100 1 week for one article, right?
Wow.
So for this company, it took me about 3 weeks, $300 to write over 10,000 articles.
10,000